Introduction. Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is a presentation application that is used to create a slideshow of important information, charts, images, etc. It is a powerful, easy-to-use presentation software program. Uses of PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentations are useful for both personal and professional usage. In education sector. In present time, e-learning and smart classes are being chosen as a common mode of schooling. PowerPoint presentations play an important role in making education more interactive, and it also attracts students to the modified version of studying. In marketing sector. In marketing, PowerPoint presentations can be significant. By using graphs and charts, numbers can be shown more evidently and clearly. In business sector. It can be used to invite investors or to show the increase or decrease in profits. In creating resumes. Digital resumes can be made using MS PowerPoint. Different patterns, photographs, etc. can also be added to the resume. In analyzing and depicting growth. As both graphics and text can be added to a presentation, showing the growth of a company, business, etc. becomes easier using PowerPoint. Basic elements of a PowerPoint window or slide. The PowerPoint window contains many elements similar to other Microsoft Office programs. These elements include Quick Access Toolbar, contains shortcuts, buttons for commonly used commands and tools. Title bar indicates the software, the name of the presentation that is open. Minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Tabs contain commands that are piled into related tasks called groups. Ribbon is the area containing the tabs where you can access the tools for formatting your presentation. Slide tab displays the slides of your presentation as small images and allows easy navigation through slides. Slide pane contains the current slide in your presentation. Vertical scroll bar is used to view other slides in the presentation. Notes pane is located below the slide pane and is used to type reference notes. Notes can be printed and used for reference while delivering the presentation. View area is located at the right-hand bottom of the screen. It contains buttons that allow the ability to switch between PowerPoint views. This area has 4 views: Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Reader View, Slideshow View. This area also contains the Zoom feature. Status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window, which shows information about the view, such as the slide number, total slides, zoom level, speaker notes or comments, and the current theme template used. Starting PowerPoint. PowerPoint can be started by double-clicking with the mouse on the MS PowerPoint icon displayed on the desktop. Or you can simply type PowerPoint in the search bar next to Start button. To create a new presentation, select New on the left side of the window. Then click Blank Presentation or choose a template and theme. Click File menu where you may choose to save, print, or share the PPT. You can also press Ctrl+S to save the PPT. Working with slides. Each slide in PowerPoint has a slide layout. Slide layouts contain formatting, positioning, and placeholders for all content that appears on a slide. Adding new slides. Click on New Slide from the Home tab. A list of thumbnails appears outlining various slide content options. Click once on the appropriate layout to bring up the next slide. Duplicate slides. If you want to copy and paste a slide quickly, you can duplicate it. To duplicate slides, select the slide you want to duplicate, right-click the mouse, and choose Duplicate Slide from the menu that appears. You can also duplicate multiple slides at once by selecting them first. Move slides. To change the order of slides, click, hold and drag the desired slide in the Slide navigation pane to the desired position. Delete slides. If you want to remove a slide from your presentation, you can delete it. Select the slide you want to delete, then press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. Hide slide. Right-click on the slide and then select Hide Slide. The slide now shows a slash through the slide number to indicate that it's hidden. To apply a theme. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can quickly change the look and feel of your entire slideshow. Different themes also use different slide layouts, which can change the arrangement of the existing placeholders. Select the Design tab on the ribbon, then click the More drop-down arrow to see all the available themes. Select the desired theme. The theme will be applied to your entire presentation. Running the slideshow. Click on the Slideshow tab. Click on From Beginning to view the entire presentation or From Current Slide to view from the current slide onward. Click on the left mouse button to advance from slide to slide. To move backwards in your presentation, simply press the backspace key or the left arrow key. At the end of your presentation, a black screen appears with a message. At the end, click to exit or press the escape key. Click once more to return to the editing screen. Note, you can also press F5 to start the presentation. Inserting pictures into the slides. You can easily add pictures to your slides. To do so, you must first save the picture on your computer. Then insert it into your presentation. In normal view, display the slide on which you'd like the picture to appear. From the Insert menu, choose the Picture from your drive. Select the file and click on Insert to add the picture in your slide. The picture will now appear on your slide. You may move and resize the picture as you like. Saving a presentation. Click on the File menu. Click on the Save or Save As button, provided. A dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save the presentation. Then provide a suitable name to the file. Click on the Save button. You can save file with .ppt or .pptx extension. To save your presentation in a previous version of PowerPoint, click on the Save As Type option. Select the version in which you'd like to save the presentation. Click Save. Printing the presentation. Click the File tab. Click Print option from the drop-down list. This view includes Print Preview, Print Commands, as well as the print settings. Or press Ctrl+P to preview and print the presentation. You can set the number of copies you wish to print. You can also set slides per page.